Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel ChemWis. In this video we are going to learn mechanism for the conversion of benzene diazonium salt to azidobenzene. There are three proposed mechanisms, but only one is the correct. We will go through all the three mechanisms. In the first proposed mechanism, benzene diazonium salt and azide ion react together, in which the azide ion attacks on the ring carbon bearing N2, and at the same time N2 departs to produce this transition state. Then there is complete formation of covalent bond between azide nitrogen and ring, release of nitrogen gas to produce azidobenzene. In the second proposed mechanism, benzene diazonium salt and azide react together via 3+2 cycloaddition reaction to produce phenylpentazole, which then undergoes pentazole ring opening like this, removing nitrogen gas to produce azidobenzene. In the third mechanism, benzene diazonium salt and azide ion react together via attack of azide nitrogen on terminal nitrogen of diazo group like this to produce 1-azido-2-phenyldiazine. We can draw the resonating structure of this intermediate like this. Now, removal of nitrogen gas gives azidobenzene, where we can see that only terminal nitrogen of azido group is from the attacking azide group. This third mechanism is the most correct and mechanistically proven. That's all in this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.